Okay, nope. 3, 2, nope. Okay, hi, my name is Chris Allick. I graduated in 2011. My talk is called Scamming Our Way to the Top Life After ITP. How we can capitalize on the weakness of people in power to get money and inspiration, to make great work that we care about, and hopefully make the world a slightly better place, but at a minimum make us money and bring us happiness. So again, my name is Chris Allick. I do a lot of programming, and I don't really have one skill set, but I'll bring that up later. I like interaction design, I like making stuff. This is my life before ITP. I was born, I did some stuff, I fell in love, we broke up, and then I was bound to just do some more stuff and die. But actually, I went to ITP, and now I'm going to do something. I'm really excited about that. I did a lot of things at ITP, but I read 2 books. One was Seeing is Forgetting the Name of the Thing One Sees by Robert Irwin and Despina Papadopoulos' class, and that taught me that being in pursuit of something creative and having a drive is a reason to live, and so far it's worked out pretty well for me. I also read this book called Big Con, The Story of the Confidence Man in Keo Starr's class, and it taught me, combined with the other book, to have the confidence to fail. So I did some stuff after I graduated. I made this app. Tells you how foods are going to make you fart, tries to get kids to be more thoughtful about their nutrition. This app's about oral sex and being comfortable talking about your body. I made this light sculpture that connects people all around the world when they're moving their mouths. It sends color underneath their mouths to this sculpture and tries to embody what creativity is in a sculpture. And so everyone can call me a creative technologist. What's a creative technologist? Like, that's sort of like what I do now. And basically there's 2 things. One is creative technical solutions, like how to solve shit. And the other one is like, oh, just bring us some dope-ass technology and we'll call that the creative concept for our brand. I think those are both garbage. I want to get paid to just like make stuff and dream about things. And just so you know, creativity for me is the use of the imagination to solve a problem or express oneself. And so I invented this system to try to help me, get paid a shit ton of cash and make dope stuff. And it's called LITP. And it's predicated on that, the education system in America is perpetuating a cycle of demand in the workplace that's antithetical to true creativity. And creativity and the desire to share ideas is the most important quality in a person. So when you go to school, you learn how to solve a subset of problems, and they give you a degree, and then you get a job where you solve that subset of problems with an increased level of efficiency, but then new problems arise in the world, and you're fired, or you become a manager. When you go to IT, you get a set of tools, and actually what we do is we help you access the full set of possible problems and creative explorations. And so when you leave, at least for me, I was unwilling and incapable to solve just a subset of problems. I had nowhere to go. No one hired me. So I try to get people to redefine what they call the unicorn. I'm like, let's unpack problems, let's investigate solutions, present solutions clearly, work collaboratively, implement solutions, treating technology design as a building material, stay passionate, draw inspiration from everywhere. So nobody wanted to do that, they didn't give a shit. So then I started defining LITP. So I basically went and found a bunch of magic tricks, and I tricked people into thinking I'm smart. I did a bunch of side projects outside of work to show people that I have passions, and they wanted those things that I couldn't have them. It's like, oh, how do we get you? I'm like, okay, I'll come work for you, but I don't really know exactly what I do. I keep it very vague. I sort of like, they don't really know how to tell what to do. And then when they say something wrong, I go, you don't get me. And you don't understand how to direct my skill set. You don't have the skills to do that. So what it comes down to is that advertising and marketing business starts with the brand's business problem, and which ends in a brief and equates to money spent on people time. So if you pay attention to what your brands are trying to do, you can just steal their problems and focus on human-centric things, which actually make the world a better place. But all the while, showing them these ideas that you want to do, and they go, that's not marketing, we can't use that. So they will apologize for not being able to buy your ideas. And then you just get to go and do it on your own and use their money to make the world a better place. So eventually, we'll be left with creative people practicing empathy and collaboration who give a shit. So basically, the dinosaurs will die out, and people like me will be running the world. And we'll take billions of ad dollars spent each year marketing garbage, and we'll funnel it to projects and people that make the world a better place. And that, I'm done. That's my whole time.